Hey guys, in this one I'm showing you how to get a YouTube TV free trial. So if you're looking to cut the cord on traditional cable and want to test out YouTube TV's live channels, unlimited cloud DVR, and local networks without paying upfront, claiming this free trial takes just a couple of minutes. So first head over to the sign up portal and sign in with your primary YouTube accounts. Or Google account, sorry. You can just go here, start a YouTube TV free trial, start your free trial here, and this is where it takes you. So as you can see in here in this interface, of course it will depend on the time, but I have it now. As you can see, I can try it for 21 days for $0. I have never used this before, so if I go ahead and sign up with, say, my credit card or something, this is going to be completely for free for 21 days. As you can see, it's gonna be $67.99, but in my case, it's $0 for 21 days. So whilst you're here, of course, don't forget that you need to sign in first. Don't forget that you will need to sign in first. Click here and choose your Google account. Then you will be able to continue and get your free trial. Okay, and now what some additional base packages do you get when you sign up? So when you just review the base plan features, click Next, and on the add-ons page, you can optionally tick additional premium networks like HBO Max, Stars, or Sports Plus. Many of these come with their own separate free trials as well. Then you click Next and reach the payment screen. Then you choose either your credit card or PayPal, enter your credentials, and click Start Memberships. So don't forget, it's 21 days. If you are, satisfied with the service, you may not cancel it, right? But when your first payment is due in 21 days, you can also cancel your subscription if you're not satisfied, and you will conclude your trial. Enjoy, guys.